Greetings to everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, July the 25th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also a Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. And these puzzles I'm not interested. So yeah. Alright, now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, I've heard on the news Typhone Gaemi has arrived in China, I believe. Yeah, past Taiwan and the Philippines. A lot of damage there. Yeah, it's the climate change. Yeah, the climate change. Alright, first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku. 3 Stars Sudoku number 8960. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26, I believe. Yeah, 26 printed digits. 26 printed digits. Well. Okay. 26. Usually the 3 Stars Sudoku has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with the 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Okay. 1 9. Okay. This will be difficult. How about 5 need a 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left is 7. Shoot me there. 7, okay. 7. How about need an 8 there, need a 5. Yeah, 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5. It should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. Need a 6 here. Need a 5 here. And now, And now, need a 9 here. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Yeah. 5, need a 5 there. Need a 5 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Alright. Then 2. Then, the one in this row, the one in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Yeah. I need a 4 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, or there. One of these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 4 should be there. So these 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. 2, 6, 8. So we have here 3 missing numbers then. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digital 1, number 1. 2, 2. Need a 2 here or there. Yeah. Need a 5 here also. How about 3 here? I'm thinking. 7, 4. Need a 9 here. 7, 4. 1, 9, 5. Okay, 7, 4. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Well, we have a pair here. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this big square, so no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3, 3. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, need a 6 here, yeah. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. Here, give me 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. So the 6 in the middle column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 2, 3, okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. From 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 in this row. Third row. 9 in the second row from the first row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Okay. So 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then let me see. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 9 should be down. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so on that row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. How about the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Alright. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in the in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 in the second column, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then let me see. 3. Yeah. Need 3 here, need 3 there. Well, 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 3, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column. Second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. So here should be the 2 numbers 2 and 6. And also 2 and 6, I believe, here. How about here then? Also 2 and 6 in this column. Well, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, and the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so the last row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. On there, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number, the 1, the 2, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and a 6, we already have a 2 here in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Well, I'm pleased with the time. 4 stars, 3 stars, no, 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. Alright. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.